The Northeastern Hill University Students' Union has demanded from Vice-Chancellor Professor Prabha Shankar Shukla to convene an urgent academic council meeting within a week time to discuss the implementation of the 10-point grading system as recommended by the University Grants Commission (UGC). Speaking to reporters after the meeting, Nehusu President Sandi Sotun stated that the Students' Union will decide what will be their next course of action in case the Vice-Chancellor fails to convene the Emergency Academic Council meeting.
Snow kata kajing dawa juga ni samla pulih, agak syam kini kajing di nakalian kajungi nilai keren nilai ter nilai tai, ben nakalian kajung uru ula pen snow ia kata kajing hendak nakalian kajungi ni dawa ben kata ke Emergent Academic Council agak udi ben hapok steo lem kumta nakalian ga Nehusu inchim nakajung ga senjam.
Rajya Sabha member W.